Landon with DRT Motorsports. We're out here at the 2024 Sand Scramble in Glamis, California.
Red Bull Sand Scramble is a race that they host out here in Glamis, and we get to race through the dunes. And the nice part about the scramble part is there's not one clear line. You could choose whatever line you want.
Red Bull Sand Scramble is a good time.
This is an event for the everyday man, the weekend warrior that wants to just come out and use his fun car to go bang doors and see what he can do.
So for this year's Sand Scramble, I raced a 2023 Polaris Racer Pro R, pretty much bone stock, stock wheels and tires, some DRT accessories, PRP seats and harnesses.
My car is a Polaris Racer Pro R, and it is fully equipped with DRT, Cageworks, and PRP.
It's a 2024 Maverick R. It's all decked out in the DRT product line. Other than that, it's stock suspension, stock power. Just the ultimate weekend warrior car. It runs great. It was a blast to drive.
I like this style of racing more because you're allowed to be creative. You're allowed to choose a better line, a faster line, a smoother line.
Yeah, no, it's, this Red Bull Sand Scramble is a lot different from desert racing. It's action-packed, where we've got a couple pylons that we're trying to go around. There are spectators everywhere. The line is constantly changing, as the sand's flowing, ruts are developing. You've got to really be quick on your toes to find that fast line and work around the race course.
Second.
Until.
By 36 seconds.
Or Laughlin. Yeah, I was in second until the first turn when I hit something.
Bro, I was.
Yeah.
Freaking.
You made it 200 yards.
So who's gonna win?
Me.
I don't know. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors it. So we're gonna come around the finish. Looks like we won rock, paper, scissors. My goal though is I want a nice little tire donut on our passenger door after the race, silver Sharpie. I'm gonna sign that.
That's not happening.
100%. Mid-air.
No.
Bam.
No. The entire day went great. We ended up starting in Heat 1. Matt and I started together, so that was fun.
So Heat number 1 was hands down the best memory I've got. Myself and 8 other cars lined up. Maddie was 4 cars over from me. That green flag dropped and it was all out chaos.
And off the line, he took the whole shot, and then I got third, and then I followed him out. In the first bowl, I was right behind him, and then we were 1 and 2 all day. We were constantly going back and forth. We had each other on the radios, so it was fun saying, hey, you choose this line, and I'll go this line, and we'll see which one's faster.
We were able to figure out all the lines, so come main race, we were ready to go.
Yeah, first race, not a racer, so weekend warrior out here showing what I can do. We're trying, and I was in Heat 2. Got pretty excited on the first lap. Almost had a couple almost, and stuffed it real good, punctured the radiator, but ended up finishing first. I was battling out with the Pro R for most of the 3 laps, and it was just awesome. It was a great time.
So this race, they actually changed it up last minute, and we did a live engine start. In years prior, it's always been a dead engine start. So it was kind of nice that our cars were already started. We didn't have to worry about, starting it in park and putting it into high. So that was nice. But that land rush start, running 10 wide, 4 rows, all starting at the same time, was so crazy. I don't even know how to describe it. There was people everywhere. Every direction I was looking, my mirrors, because I have cameras as well in the car, so I'm checking my cameras. I was surrounded by people.
got to get out in front of some of the other cars. It was a 40 car main, so there was lots to miss and lots of opportunity for things to go wrong. So luckily we all got out in front pretty early and were able to stay that way.
One line and then someone's jumping over me, so then I see someone, I look to the left and all of a sudden I see someone's tire right there, and having to adjust to that and keep your line, maintain your line through this, it was wild and just a crazy experience.
2024 Red Bull Sand Scramble was an absolute blast. I can't thank DRT Motorsports enough for everything they did.
This was awesome, great experience. I think we learned a lot we can apply to next year. But totally great experience. That anybody that wants to come out and see what they can do, every weekend warrior, they should make it happen. This is a really cool event and just awesome time.
Yeah, that is Red Bull Sand Scramble.